Hi, today we're going to talk about customization on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. As you recall, this was a very hairy area of moving forward from the V6 platform. And when you break it down into its components, basically you've got a part that's dealing with the data model, you've got a part that's dealing with the user interface, and you have a part that's dealing with the behaviors. In other words, we have an MVC model, view, control. Now, if we break that down further, we look at just the user experience, the user interface components. These were relatively hard to code because I had to know JSPs, I had to do common components. They weren't necessarily easy to migrate across. And thanks to the 3DEXPERIENCE, now I'm using HTML5 and CSS3, of which there are plethoras of programmers, and it's also a far more secure way to develop. If I look at the control layer, the behaviors, here I had to use a lot of SOAP web services, which are actually obsolete and can be replaced with very flexible, very powerful, and secure REST web services. Now, if I look at the data model, it was maybe one of the more difficult ones because you really had to have tons of expertise. You had to have programmers that knew this stuff backwards and forwards because it was quite dangerous to touch with MQL. And since a lot of the data model has been moved into generic templates, using unified typing, using a baseline, now it's far easier to do, and I can do that just with a click of the mouse.